Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Copy your 360 files from the SD card to a desktop folder for safety. Confirm the camera recorded in 360 mode and set resolution to 7K when available. Verify each file shows 7K or 360 metadata before attempting playback. Use a card reader to speed transfer and avoid Wi-Fi transfers for large files. Name and organize files by date and scene to streamline viewing workflows. Create a backup copy to cloud or external drive before editing or viewing in detail. Use Gopro Player for desktop 360 viewing and simple reframe tools. Open the Gopro Player and import your copied files into a new project. Use Gopro Quick or install 360 apps for mobile playback and quick sharing when on the move. For immersive viewing, connect to a compatible VR headset and ensure your headset supports equirectangular video. Connect with a USB cable or use a high-bandwidth Wi-Fi hotspot for headset streaming. Calibrate head tracking in the headset before starting playback for smoother control. Set playback quality to native resolution or half resolution for smoother playback. If your computer struggles, drop to 1/4 resolution and pre-render previews. Stabilize and reframe with the Gopro Player before exporting final MP4 files for traditional viewers. Export files with H.264 or H.265 at constant bitrate suited to your platform and maintain 360 metadata. Test the exported file in the intended viewer to confirm correct orientation and metadata. Keep original RAW files as masters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.